Age, Pidilia. I am 5 years old. This is me from ages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was born on July 18, 2019. My favorite color is pink. I live in Evergreen, Binyan, Laguna. Studying at IJMC, kindergarten level. These are my classmates, and this is Teacher Carol and Teacher Monique. Pag may free time ako, mahilig ako magsulat at mag-color. Show you something! I have plenty of coloring books. Little do you know, mahilig ako mag-swimming at pumunta sa dagat. Let me show you my family. This is my mommy and this is my daddy and my little brother. I love my family because they care for me and love me. And I love them too. I love to dance and I love to sing. That's all I got to say. Sana po nakilala niyo ako. Bye!